This is the computer office gaming chair here that has LEDs sewn into it that's going to give you an amazing immersive experience from the folks at Chizzy. This provides lumbar support, it's ergonomic, it can even recline and give you a super comfortable experience, especially if you're streaming, gaming for long extended periods of time. Inside the box, it'll include everything necessary to set it up, including the back, the base, and then all of the accessories to set up your LED chair. What I like here is that it's made of composite leather material that is sewn in with a great feeling and textile, and it even has an embroidery of the brand. Here's the electronics here that you're going to be connecting it in once we're at that point, and along the edge here where the mesh is where the LED lights are going to be lighting up. I like to lay everything out here so you can see your material list and match all of the components together. There's 6 main steps here. Let's go ahead and go through it. Step 1, turn the base cover seat upside down and attach the chrome to the base cover with 10 M6 screws. This is the chrome base seat cover here, and you're gonna go ahead and attach now all 5 of these legs here together, matching the screw holes. Step 2, after pressing the casters into the holes in the ends of each base leg, insert and lift it into the center hole of the star base. What I like to do is put this back on here, make sure that's back there, and then you're gonna be press fitting each one of these legs into their slots. Now be careful to not get pinched. I like to hold my hand here over the top, not getting it near the point of contact, and just pressing it forward with some oomph to be able to get it in. I really like that metallic base here. It's gonna be able to provide you substantial support. All right, now step 3, align the seat plate cover with the pre-drilled holes underneath the seat cushion. Make sure that the front is in the front. It's labeled easily here in red. Attach the seat plate to the seat cushion using the 4 M8 screws that are 20 millimeters. Now it's always been tricky for me to determine which side is which here. Base it on the lever. So the way that it looks like here is you're gonna be having the 90-degree lever here facing the back with it on the left side if you're looking from the back, just like this. So this is the front. You want to have the wing on this side. Step 4 is aligning the armrests here. You're going to need to make sure and decide which one's right and which one's left. The way that you're going to be able to tell here is having the pointy end that way. If you have it backwards, it's not leaning towards the front. You want to have it lean towards the front. Okay, now we're tightening it here, making sure not to over tighten it here, but what's nice is it's got this washer that kind of locks it in place, so you're not going to have it wiggle and lose its spot. Step 5 is to align the pre-drilled holes under the base on the side of the backrest. So you're going to be flipping it upside down here and now attaching the back plate here to the aligned pre-drilled holes. Process is a little tricky. You're going to align the bracket here with the screw holes, and you're gonna slowly, what I'm gonna do here is just hand screw one side in, align the other, and then get to the spot that I want, and then tighten them all together at the end. You wanna finish off here by placing these guards on, so you don't wanna pinch. There's a little hole right here to be able to place it on there. Switch to the other side here. This one's the longer plate. It's gonna fit similarly right here as well. Last step now is assembling the rest of the chair by placing the base onto the wheels and press fitting it on. The way that this works here is that the silver part's gonna be placed into here, and then that's gonna be placed into the base wheels. Best way to do it here is to sit on it, and that's gonna give you its ability to go into it. Now you can go ahead and use the lever to lift yourself up. You can see here on this side is the lever to recline. You can recline quite a long ways, all the way down, supporting you. Make sure you lock the base so you don't flip back, but this allows you the ability to lean all the way back as you need. We're plugging it in for the first time. There you go. That looks really rad. As you can see, it kind of just has your plain white color. You've got this remote to go ahead and now you can turn it on and off. You can go ahead and set a timer if you wanted. You can have it brighter. I like how it cycles through these colors. You can kind of make it like a disco, or you can have it go through the rainbow, primary colors. You can select specific colors that you want. It's got a huge wide variety of colors. I think that's great. It looks good, feels great. I love how it reclines. It can even lock in its spot, which is nice. You can have it rock if you want. You can lock it in place. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead and place the cushions on. You've got these straps here for your back and your neck rest. We're gonna go ahead and unclip these, which is nice. You can have it wrap around, and it's elastic, so it's gonna fit all the way around, and it is adjustable if you want to have it tighter or not. The LEDs are really bright. I like that. It's gonna fit your motif in your cool office or your gaming setup.